流一定要很多水。你不能碰的呀。好，应该有一个卡是不要的，贴那个的话。你就都准备好了之后，你给个定，然后我们就开始。Hi, dear friends. This is Luna. Welcome to our Taishan live channel, and I have Alice with me today.
Hi, I'm Alice.
Yeah, we two will be the host for this part. And if you are looking for a reliable supplier with very strong ability factory and experienced team, hope you could stay with us, and Taishan Life will bring you our quality products that is suitable for all the different situations. And Alice and I today we will share some landscape turfs with you, which is suitable for the residential, commercial, and pet area. Firstly, pet areas in this part. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for joining us. Luna, Taishan made different landscape turfs each year. What will you introduce today?
Oh yes, and as you just said, we develop different landscape turfs each year, and so far we have more than 20 types of the fiber yarn, and to achieve different appearance. And today I bring two typical ones. The first one is TS Wave. This is one of my favorite products, which has very leisurely looking. Firstly, I will share a video with you. Could you help us, Alice? Oh, that's the end of the video. Okay, so from the video and the picture, you can see more clearly. And I have this sample on my hand. The first impression when you see this turf, you may feel the grass color is very fresh, and we call it spring green. And this green is combined with dark green and lime green. This lime green helps the turf surface looks very beautiful, and it feels like the spring is coming. And besides of this, I want to introduce the shape. We can see from the card, this is a wide blade with WW shape. This shape could help the turf surface because it's a WW shape. Your cut is not that sharp, so when you touch the surface, it's very comfortable. Besides this, we also use our Taishan unique technology to help the turf to achieve the best performance. Alice, could you show us the technology cards? Yeah. Yeah, this soft fiber technology help you feel the turf surface. It's very comfortable, and also we have recovery technology that helps the yaw. When the yaw lay down, it will back to straight yaw very quickly. They will stand up back very quickly. So that is very attractive point to our customer. Besides this, durability is also a very important factor we take into consideration. Because in sometimes in the very high traffic area, the yaw will lay down easily. But with these pens, with this high density such, this turf could hold up for a long time, and you have also no need to infill this turf, and it's suitable to It's suitable to install in different residential area, like in your backyard and the swimming pool. You can feel it's very comfortable to stand on it on barefoot.
Very soft.
Yes, yes. So some customers told me that this turf is really like real turf, and I said real turf sometimes is not good at all because if you don't maintain the real turf frequently, the surface is uneven. So this is the first one we introduced today, TS Wave. If you want to know more information, just welcome to approach our sales team. We will give you more information about this turf, and also sample is available.
The next one.
Yeah, and next we will bring you TS winner green, and let's check the video first. Yeah, okay. So TS winner is a different type, and I have the sample as well. The first impression when you see this sample, you may feel, wow, the color is more darker than the previous one. That's correct, because we call this turf field grain, and you can see clearly the street yard is in different color. We don't have that lime green, and we changed to the olive green to help the turf achieve the darker appearance. And Alice, do you want to feel it?
Yeah, it feels very hard.
That's correct. That's a very honest answer. People will say, why I need hard, why I need the landscape turf that feels hard. But actually, this turf is a very popular type. That the a little bit hard feeling is because of the yaw shape. From this card, you can clearly see this is a W-shaped turf, and the W shape, we have very three, a little bit sharp angle here. So that is why you feel the turf is a little bit hard. But it doesn't matter because when you install this turf in some high UV intensity area, mm, this turf gonna turn softer after the sun heat. You may have the experience that when you put the plastic bucket under the sunshine and it becomes flexible, but it won't break, right? So this is one of the advantage why the customer like this turf is stand well. And the second character of this turf is the the surface could cool down quicker than other types. That is because the yaw shape helps the surface get more space to release the heat. Mm, for the family that have children or lovely pets, they prefer their backyard will be in a very comfortable temperature, even in summer or even in the noon. So for this kind of customers, Taishan prepared the cool technology for them. After using cool technology in the landscape turf, we could get at least 20% lower surface temperature. So here we have a video from our lab to show you the effect.
Everyone needs 20 to 30 minutes to see the difference. So now you can see there are around over 10 degrees differences already.
Okay, that's the end for the video. And this technology helps the yaw to reflect the sun heat quicker, so we get like at least 20% lower surface temperature. Mm, that's why this turf is becoming an increasingly product with an attractive point as well. Okay, here it is. So these are the two typical landscape turf I bring to you today. And besides of this, I also want to give you a very quick introduction to Taishan innovation products. The first one is Taishan negative ions artificial grass. Alice, I think you may also have the same feeling when you feel pretty tired and it's, you want to get some relaxing time. Maybe you will go to the mountain, go to the forest, and go to the grassland, and you feel more comfortable and refreshed in this kind of area. That is because of the negative ions content is very high in this kind of area. So we also want our artificial turf could achieve the same um, effect. That's why we developed this new turf. And after adding these negative ions, our turf could release the ions um, um, slowly, and these ions could help you to activate your body cells and to purify the air, so you get much more better feeling for that. And the second one I want to bring you, I want to give you a short introduction is the antibacterial turf. Antibacterial turf is very suitable for the pet area, like in the pet zone or the um, residential area that the pet works a lot on it. It could prevent the turf from 99% bacterial according to the SGS lab. So we can show you the testing report and you can just get in touch with our sales team. Yeah. Besides of these two products, some customers I know they like to do the um, installation by themselves. They just want to buy the turf and they don't want to ask for extra labor work. They can do that by themselves. And we also prepared this kind of small package turf for the DIYers. So Alice, could you show us a video? We want to bring to our friends today, right?
Right. Our product specification can be adjusted according to customer needs, right?
Yes, that's correct. We could change. Could you give me a sample? Yeah, thank you. We could change the pile height of the turf and also the stitch rate to achieve different um, density products, and it also that brings the cost change. When some customers maybe they want more economic economical products or they just prefer luxury products. just let our salesman know, and we will give you the right recommendation. And of course, for different application, we understand that for different application area, you need different turf. So just let us know.
Mm-hmm. So how should they determine the application area?
That's a very good question. And determining the application area is very important. That brings the choice. How you choose the right turf, that depends on the areas. And like in the high traffic area, you need to choose the high density turf. And the wider blade will help you to achieve that purpose. And but in some like the commercial purpose, especially in some shopping mall, you may need to change the decoration frequently. And at that time, it's better for you to choose some turf that the surface is beautiful, but you have no need to get that thick coating, and maybe that would tough to bind. The durability is also not a factor you need to consider. In that case, you just choose some low cost product, right?
Mm-hmm.
Also, outer could appears very good in some shopping malls. I bring some pictures. Yes, this is the turf installed in a shopping mall, and we can see the color is pretty fresh. It's a lime color grass. Yeah. Yes. You like the grass here?
I like the color.
You like the color of the grass,
Yes.
right? I like the
Yes.
gorilla. No, kidding. The turf you can see from that picture. Can you get us back the picture? From the picture, you can see the plants around the grassland. They are real plants, but the land is the artificial grass. It's very difficult for you to differ them, right? Yeah. So choose the right color is a very important thing, right?
How do they choose the color?
Um, I think our customer always have their smart choice because they know the market much better than us. They know their market better than us. So I think they could choose the color smartly. And if you ask me, I will say just pick the color which is similar to the natural grass in your backyard. That won't be a wrong choice. So because geographical region grass color like is very important for you to refer to. Yes.
Mm-hmm. What's the warranty time?
The warranty time of our turf, the the standard warranty time for our artificial turf is 8 years. I I bring a map, and this is a global UV distribution map. Okay. Mm, the darker, the red part shows the most highest UV intensity areas, and our turf has been installed in all the high intensity area, high UV intensity areas. Some of the fields last more than 8 years, and that is what we are very proud of. And for some low, like Africa, like the west coast of United States, like Arizona. So in other area, in yellow color, our turf, if you install our turf in this kind of area, I believe our turf could last even more than 10 years. Okay, and of course, if you just need some turf last like a shorter time, we could do some change and to meet your need. Of course, that brings some cost change, right? So you can get much better price. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I know for the scout Taishan is the first supplier to set data and FIH certificate. It helps Taishan to landscape quality.
Yeah, as you just said, we are the first supplier got both certificates. That is recognized by the global organization. That means uh, our factory has been in this worked in this industry for more than 20 years, and since we supply the premier sports turf to the world based on the basis of that high technology, we also bring our um, the top quality of landscape turf to the market. Some customers they may think landscape turf is much easier than the sports turf. You can just pick anyone from the market. But actually, for the landscape turf, you also need to consider many factors that influence the final performance. Like you need to balance the wear resistance and the softness, and also the anti-aging performance is a very important point. Yeah, so has the most mature Taishan has the most mature production lines and experienced team that bring that makes us bring the top level landscape turfs to the market. And talking about this, I think it's a good time to show our audience the factory. Okay.
Okay.
雷凌 Taishan Artificial Turf Industry Company Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of Taishan Sports Industry Group Company Limited. Founded in 1978, Taishan Sports Industry Group is the world's top sporting events service provider. As a professional manufacturer of sports and landscaping artificial turf, Taishan Artificial Turf has a large-scale, modern production base in Shandong and established marketing companies and R&D centers in Beijing, Shanghai, Japan, and the United States to serve customers all over the world with high-quality artificial turf products and professional services. Taishan is the first company in China to pass FIFA and FIH certification. Having been founded in 2002, we have had nearly 2 decades to perfect our products and our production processes, and that is exactly what we have done. Taishan utilizes advanced, high-efficiency production equipment for every artificial turf production process to ensure product quality and production optimization. The supporting equipment of our extruding line is purchased from Austria, Germany, France, and other countries. We have developed fully automated and efficient production to achieve high-quality extruding. Taishan's tufting machine, applied in artificial turf production in various gauges, types, and widths, is expertly designed by a British company. In addition, our coating production line, introduced from the United States, easily meets the production requirements of latex and PU adhesives. As for the PU adhesive technology, our company is at the leading level. Taishan established a finished goods warehouse of more than 2,000 square meters, which can accommodate 700,000 square meters of artificial turf products, which enhances our production distribution. Our products have been exported to more than 100 countries and regions around the world.
Okay. Okay, from that video, I think you can see our major step to produce the yacht from extrusion, tufting, and coating. And the last step is packing and put them in our warehouse. Besides of that, we also have one important step in front of all the steps. That is the master batch production. We mix, we our professional team mix the different raw material and to make the master batch that is ready to for extruding the yaw. So this is the very, very important part. And as well, we have the QC team that is, we have, besides of that, we have our QC team. They do the daily check and from the extrusion to the packing, we can have a, we can see a video, sorry, we can check the video to see how do they work. Clearly, our QC team, they will check the turf from the yaw. They will check the details. They will check the fiber thickness, fiber shape, fiber thickness, fiber weight, width, and also they will check the use the right backcloth and the roll size is correct, and also the coating. They use the right coating and the dryness of the coating as well. After packing, even after packing, they will put all the rolls to measure the size and make sure they could load all the rolls in the container. So after seeing this, I hope you have the confidence that if you choose Taishan, you will get whatever you order. You will get the right product, and we will be the first guide. We will be the first gatekeeper for your products. And also, as always, we will support you on the behind when you sell Taishan turf as well. So we are always here to provide you the high quality product as a very mature factory. Some customers may think that, okay, you have the very top quality product, so is your price high? And I want to say that because we have the mature factory and after all these years development, we can control our raw material waste and also the um, management cost very well. So you have no need to worry about that. We can offer the top quality product at the same time, the very competitive price. Okay, so before finish our show, I want to introduce more about our group company. As you can see on the back poster, there is an Olympic logo that we have been the major sports equipment supplier to different Olympic Games, from 2004 Athens Olympic Games to 2008 Beijing Olympic Games and 2012 London Olympic Games and the latest 2016 Rio Olympic Games in Brazil. So, as an Olympic Games supplier, I think the concept quality is matters most is well understood by all the employees in our company. So hope you could work with Taishan and working with Taishan, we will bring you the most cost effective products and the manufacturer direct price, also the um, very good service. And yes, and each year we will bring more innovative products, and we hope to share them with you in the following time. And also that we will make sure the turf you buy from Taishan and you install that the turf will keep green and lush for the following years. Welcome to visit our website and also approach our sales team to get more information. So that's all for this part. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.